Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll tell you about how to activate internet banking on Capitec app. It's very easy to do. First, install the Capitec app. Then what you have to do, open a browser from your laptop or your mobile device. Then search for Capitec. Then you will see Capitec Bank website. From here, just select the link. Then you will see an option online banking from the top right corner. Just select it. Now you select your bank type. It's personal or business. Then after selecting it, enter your account number or username, then select continue and follow the steps and give the information which you have. Then just read the security basics to secure your account, and that's it. That's how you can activate internet banking on Capitec app.